Yeah, thank you, ma'am. First of all, good morning, everyone. This is Varnamukhi, and I have Angel also in my team. We are representing our college, Acharya Institutes of Graduate Studies, and innovation that is always created by youth. Colleges can be a very great platform to bring this kind of innovations where you have a great diversity and you can always bring changes over there. Ma'am, and this was the poster that we have made for the conference. All abundance starts first in the mind. If you have to initiate something, if you have to bring up some innovative idea, the mind is a place where you create everything. And moving on, empathy walk. Yeah, this was the first task in which I have joined. The empathy walk was my first task when I've entered the YSI. By the time I joined the conference, I could see a very good rapport between the organizers and the participants. But I should say that though I have joined late, I was really given a very warm welcome and a comfortable space to bring up my thoughts and my ideas over to this, innovation conference. When we were asked to do this empathy walk, I spoke about this with two of my faculty, that is Tej sir, who is a criminology department HOD, and Swaroop sir. This has really surprised me that the way they have observed me in different roles as a student, as a friend, as a as an individual, this has really made me understand how empathy plays a very important role. Empathy is something that we learn out of experience, and I should say this is a great task which has influenced me in different ways. And well-being. To say that well-being is an abstract noun, but the day when Lakshmi ma'am has showed the 3D model, the way it was showed to us by making us empathize different roles, that was really a very unique way of making us understand. This entire project of giving a problem statement and solving it could be done as like you know okay guys, this is a session, we are working on how to overcome the online session problems. You give a problem, we solve it. No, it wasn't done like that. We were made understand each and every term, like empathy, well-being, co-create. This actually does a very important role, plays a very important role in our day-to-day life, especially for these online sessions, I should say. Situation that bothered us. If you actually compare the contrast of how the education was before Corona and after Corona, the similarities will be that yes, we are going on with the syllabus. Yes, we are doing exams. We are taking the assignments. We are having internals. We are talking to friends. We are talking to teachers. But the ambience or the environment that a classroom gets around us really makes a lot of, it really gives an impact in a student's role. For an individual as a student, the classroom plays a very vital role. When I did the empathy walk, our teacher was both the faculty was also saying that yes, when we are giving, when we are explaining you certain topic, will be in a flow. But if it was a classroom, there really gives you a kind of motivation to explain, or that surroundings really matters actually. But when it was online, it is like a computer and a man speaking to themselves. We actually don't know who is listening, who is interacting and all. So that was a situation that bothered us, and discussed the question. Yeah, I still remember that we almost took 1 or 2 sessions just to bring out the problem. We were made, we were asked to bring out our own questions. We were asked to give our own problem statement. It was not like, everyone in the conference has actively participated, and we were made into groups. And the group, especially my group, we really had a great discussion. Everyone participated, and the problem statement in which we have come was, how might we make a better interactive classroom in online sessions? Solve it. Yes, now we have the problem statement. Solving a problem is definitely not easy. If it is like 2 plus 2 is equals to 4, you can directly solve it. But if you're asked to find x, like 2x is equals to 4, find x, you need certain process to make the statement. So yeah, we have the problem statement. Then we have the problem statement. First thing is, you may have a huge problem, but you have to first understand what is the problem and define your problem. So our problem was that we couldn't have a proper a classroom kind of environment around this. So how do we solve it? The conference, the team that we made, the entire conference it wasn't like, okay, you have given the problem statement, let us give you the solution. No, it wasn't like that. It was your problem, you have to solve it. So we were made, we were given an exposure to think various ways about how this is, how to give a solution to the problem. How to give a solution to the problem. Now, if you say that the solution, yeah, we have the question, we have identified the problem, that classroom isn't our, we are not having proper classroom environment. Now, how do you get the solution? The first thing was to prepare a strategy, the plan of action on how you implement it. And then you have to organize the strategy, and then you implement it and observe the results. This was the plan of action. First, I and Angel, we both of us have inquired from different, we both belong to different departments, but still we could, understand and bring out that most of us, friends and faculty, has same problem, that the coordination and the interaction is actually missing between that. Then we have, since George sir is our NSS officer and also the HOD of our psychology department, we have talked to George sir about the presentation idea. And sure, Darshan, thank you. And yeah, sir said, yes, Varna, let us implement it. And I was happy. We were also happy that, when the students were presenting it, they were really, the presentation was really out of expectations. And after this, this prototype was this was planned for 4 weeks. The first week, we have discussed with different friends about this, and the second week we have implemented. I have talked to George sir about this, and this was also implemented in journalism department. And the third week, since the presentation that was implemented in the psychology department was really going well, and we could see a better interaction than the previous thing, the previous sessions. We have given a thought that let us implement in the other department too. That is, I have talked to my criminology HOD, Mr. Tej Kumar, where sir was like, yes, Varna, let's do it. And we have also implemented this in the criminology department. And now we should say that we have implemented this in 2 departments, and it is really going well. And faculty is happy that there is being seen a progress in the way the interaction is being happened. And learning about well-being. Before the conference, I really had no idea about the term of well-being itself. But this has actually made me understand, made me experience, learning happens, learning brings change in behavior, and it also happens when there is an experience. And I should say that this YSI conference is an experience which made me learn about well-being. And okay, maybe when it is an offline class and I have a group of friends, and I could have a well-being with them, but in digital life, in the digital classroom, yeah. In digital classroom, it also plays a very vital role. It does bring, effect on the way you're in classroom with friends in this pandemic time. And yeah, understanding about Gandhi and well-being. Gandhi can be looked upon as one of the greatest visionary. His life tell, has always told us about various emotions that he went through as a boy, as a young adult at different times, and the experiment he did to cope up with his problems. It was his perseverance and dedication to an unrelenting pursuit of his goal that concepts as really brought a lot of impact in every individual of Indian especially. Now, impact and challenges. Challenges. I should say that there was nothing specially that faced something, but when it was first initiated in the criminology department, I should say that first students weren't responding much, but later on, when I had a talk again with my faculty, then we have decided that let's make groups and ask them to present it. Then, yeah, it was a great session. We are seeing more interaction in the classes. I don't see it as a challenge, but I should say it as an experience that has made me to expose to different mindsets and the impact. There is definitely a positive impact in self. It has brought me an impact as an individual, as a student, as a friend. It has a positive impact on oneself. And I should definitely thank the entire Srishti team. Anything is possible when you have the right people to support. No, this is really a great platform. Though it was online, the entire conference for all these days was conducted in such a way that I could have you don't get another idea. You don't get a better idea. It was like this is the best way to conduct to for the conference. I think this was really a great support. Um, I should really thank Lakshmi ma'am, Shamna ma'am, Pushpa ma'am, and the student organizers, Aishwarya, Lavanya, and Sharu. Uh, they have really given a very great support, and they were always, helping us, motivating us in giving the presentation to the best. And I would also show my gratitude to our NSS officer, Mr. George, and our senior Ms. Kumada, who has given me and Angel this chance. And thank you.